It's time for Show Off Sunday, where everyone has a chance to show off their own car, and here's this week's winner.
I've tried to imagine what do people mean when they describe their vehicle by saying it goes like a train. Does it gain speed in a slow yet linear fashion? Does it struggle going uphill? Does it feel stable at cruising speeds? Although it seems that most of the time the saying is used inaccurately, let's see if it fits this Mercedes W126 350 SDL or the S-Class. Since the saying never specifies which train, it will be compared to this 1950s Russian Tu-2 diesel locomotive which operates on a narrow gauge railway. Visually, there is nothing narrow about the S-Class, but by looking closely, there might be some similarities. Both have big mechanically controlled diesel engines. The locomotive has a 12-cylinder which consumes 60 kilograms of fuel per hour, and the Mercedes has a 6-cylinder which burns about 10 kilograms of fuel per hour. Check the interior, and you will find that both have big round controls at the front, though most likely for different applications. And despite a few other differences, it must be said that the Mercedes actually does go like a train. Just not this one, a slightly faster one. The previous owner in Florida did a good job in maintaining it. However, it did need quite a bit of work before it was roadworthy. After it served its initial part as a wedding car, now it's just a perfect reminder to go and have road trips whenever possible. It is something remarkable covering miles with this car. The relaxed yet determined way it does it helps to enjoy everything you set out to experience. Something hypnotic about that old school diesel mechanically ticking away up in front. It's like diesel therapy. The therapy gets even more enjoyable when you operate most of the perfectly weighted levers and buttons. I say most because the climate controls don't match the rest of the car, but that's judged by very high standards. Though it's been said that it goes like a train, it's actually quite fun on the initial go from 0 to 40. The torque is very well delivered and enjoyable. However, due to the huge turbo and the fact that there are only 4 gears, the turbo lag does appear on certain speeds. For instance, it does seem to be quicker from 110 to 130 than from 80 to 100, even if you stick it in third. Maybe that's why there is no kickdown available. For some people, the agricultural nature of the engine will be off-putting, and they will have different sayings how this car goes and feels. But for those who enjoy this type of therapy, I wish they get a chance to drive, or at least be driven in one of these.
Well, that was this week's video, and remember, to have your car video highlighted here on my channel, check this out! So if you never want to miss another one of my new car repair videos, remember to ring that bell!